Working in materials science and received a JMA file from a colleague. This is output from JMatPro software used to simulate metal properties. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these JMatPro material analysis files. Pro tip: for JMA files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. JMA files are project and analysis files created by JMatPro, software developed by Sente Software, for materials property simulation. They contain alloy compositions, phase diagram data, thermophysical properties, and simulation results for metals and alloys used in metallurgy research and industrial materials engineering applications. JMA files use a proprietary binary format, specific to JMatPro, storing alloy composition, data, calculated phase fractions, thermodynamic properties, mechanical properties, and simulation parameters. The structure includes references to JMatPro's internal thermodynamic database and version-specific data tables for cross-platform consistency. The direct link for opening JMA files is established with JMatPro from Sente Software. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows gives limited insight, so interpreting the contents requires the originating tool. We are performing a full check of installed file handlers. Right-click your JMA file and choose Open With. Test with JMatPro first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is usually a simple software swap. When your JMA file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focused tests on these common JMA failure areas. First, opening in JMatPro. Launch JMatPro software and use file. Then open to load the JMA file. JMatPro reconstructs the alloy composition simulation parameters and calculated results displaying property data graphs and phase diagrams. This is the only fully supported method for accessing JMA file contents and leveraging the analysis data. Next, exporting to standard formats. Within JMatPro, export simulation data to CSV, Excel, or text formats using the export functions. This converts the proprietary JMA data into widely readable formats for use in spreadsheets, analysis tools, or reports. Exported files preserve numerical data while losing JMatPro specific simulation context. Finally, requesting data sharing. If you don't have JMatPro, request the original creator, export the analysis to PDF reports or Excel spreadsheets. JMatPro generates comprehensive reports with property tables and graphs viewable without the software. This collaborative approach is often the most practical solution for non-JMatPro users needing access to results. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.